Hi, so first of all, I would like to tell the definition of natural number, whole number, integer, and irrational number. Then, based on that definition, we will decide that which number belong to which box. Okay, so first of all, what is a natural number? So, I will define what is a natural number. So, natural number, first of all, what is the definition of natural number? So, natural number is a number which start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up to it goes up to infinity. So such type of numbers are called natural number, which begins from 1 and then add 1 to 1, this become 2, then add 2 with 1, so it become 3, so it goes like that. So this is the definition of natural number. So it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it goes like that. So just we need to add just one number, then we will get the another number. Now what is the definition of whole number? So whole number is nothing, it is just a extension of natural number. So what is a whole number? So whole number is a number which start from 0 and then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Okay, so this number start from 0 and then it is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 to 7, and it continues up to infinity. So what is the difference between whole number and natural number? So the whole number contains 0, but the natural number don't contain 0. So natural number starts from 1 and then it goes to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the whole number starts from 0, then it goes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the definition of whole number and natural number. Now what is the definition of integer? So integer is just extension of whole number. So in the integers, so what is the integers? So integers is that it like it have both positive numbers and negative numbers. So it so this is like something you can say, this it have 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, like this number. Then also it have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it goes like that. So what is a then what is an integer? So integer is a number, it is just extension of whole number. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but it also contains the negative of them. So the negative of 1 is -1, negative of 2 is -2, negative of 3 is -3, and the 4 is -4. So it is also goes like that, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and it goes like infinity, up to infinity. So this is the definition of integer. So now again I want to tell that integers is the extension of whole number, means it contains like whole number are also integers, but integer have some extra thing. And what are the extra thing? It have this -1, -2, -3, -4, and then -5, and like it goes like that. So this is the definition of integer. Now what is a rational number? So the definition of rational numbers, so definition of rational numbers comes from the definition of integer. So what is a rational number? So a number, any number, a number of the form p by q, where p, q belong to z and q not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Okay, so this is called rational number. Okay, so any number, if you are saying that, for example, so for example, I would like to give some example. So for example, this 1 divided by 2, so this is the rational number, because this 1 and 2 they are integer. See, you can see here, this 1 and 2, this is integer, so this is integer, so this is 1 and 2, this is integer, and this have the form p by q, where p belong to and q belong to integer, and q is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. Now another example, you can say this 0.5. So why 0.5 is a rational number? Because this 0.5, so what I'm saying, this 0.5 can be written as 5 divided by 10. Okay, and if you cancel out the factors, so this is 5 times 1 and this is 5 times 2, so cancel the factor, so it will be equal to 1. So this imply 0.5 will also is equal to 1 by 2, and we saw that this 1 by 2 is a rational number, so that's why this 0.5 is also a rational number. So what if you are getting a number, so what you need to do, you just need to express in the form of p divided by q, where the p and q are the integer and q is not equal to 0, then we will say that that is the rational number. So this is the definition of natural number. We got this from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then the definition of whole number, this is from 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and this is integer, it is from 0 1 2 3 4 5. Then it also contains the negative part of that, so this is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Then what is a rational number? So rational number is a number which have the form p by q, where p and q belong to z and q is not equal to 0. So for example 1 by 2, this is also a rational number because 1 and 2 they are integers and they have the form p divided by q. And 0.5 is also a rational number because you can write this 0.5 is equal to 5 by 2, then the cancel out the common factor from the numerator and the denominator, so you will get 1 by 2. So 0.5 is equal to 1 by 2, and we have seen that 1 by 2 is a rational number, so that's why 0.5 is also a rational number. Okay, now any number which are not rational number is called irrational number. So a number which is not rational number, a number which is not a rational number is called irrational. Okay, so in daily life, whatever number you are seeing, if the number is not rational, then that number should be irrational number, because in daily life means in the real number have two parts, one is a rational and other is a irrational. So if a number is not rational, then it has to be irrational. So any number if you are looking in our daily life, like 7 under root 49 under root 18, it is all the real numbers. But what we need to decide, based on the definition, we need to decide that whether they are rational number or the irrational number. Okay, so I will give some examples. So like see in the box it is given, so in the box it is given that how these numbers how to decide the numbers. So first of all, see, it is 4.5. so in the box it is given 4.5. so 4.5, so 4.5, this is equal to what? 45 divided by 10. Now if you cancel out the common term, so what I common term, so this can be written as 9.5 and this can be 2 times 5, so this is equal to 9 divided by 2. So this imply, so what this imply, 4.5 is equal to 9 divided by 2. Now 4.5 is written as p by q, where this p is 9 and q is 2. So this is 9 and 2, this belong to integer, so this imply this 4.5 is a rational number. Okay, so this is the rational number. Now under root 5, so the under root 5, so this under root 5, it is very difficult, means you can't write. See, this you will not get any p and q such that you can write like this, you can't find it any p and q. So this is, you can, so so that you can't find any p and q, so that you can write under root 5 is equal to p by q. So that's why this is under root 5 is a irrational number because it is not rational. So under root 5 is not a rational number because under root 5 cannot be written as p divided by q, where p and q belong to integer. So this under root 5 is a rational number. Now what is 0? So as I have told you the definition, so 0 is a whole number first because natural number start from 1 to 3. So 0 is a whole number because it is also integer, it is also rational, but first of all it is a whole number. So I am putting in the class of whole number because first the smallest set which contains 0 is the whole number, because natural number is contained in whole number and natural number does not contain the 0. The whole number is that set which contains 0. So that's why I am considering 0 as a whole number. So 0 is a whole number, is so whole number. So 0 is whole number. So this we can say. So now what is minus 24? So as by the definition, this is a integer. Okay, this is an integer number. Now what is 1250? So you can say this is like just you 1 2 3 4. So this is a natural number because it is coming in the set of natural number, because natural number start from 1 and it goes up to infinity. So this is a number like it comes in that set, the set of natural number. Okay, so that's why it is a natural number. So now it is integer also and it is a rational number also, but I am putting in the natural number set because natural number is the smallest set which contain this one. So the most suitable set for this number should be natural number, because natural number is the smallest set which contain 1250. So that's why this is the natural number. Now 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2. So if you are cancelling out the factors, the common factor from numerator and denominator, so you will get this is 4. So this imply 8 by 2 is equal to 4. So this 4 is what? This 4 is a natural number first, because in the set of natural number 4 will come. So is a natural number. So it is an integer also. It is an integer also. It is a whole number also, but natural number is the smallest set which contain 4. So that's why this 4 should be written in the set of natural number. So that's why, so this is 4 in that one. Now what is that? Minus 3. So minus 3, it is integer. Okay, because it is not in the whole number set, it is not in the natural number set, but it is in the whole number set. This minus 3 is a rational number also, but integer, the set of integer is the smallest set which contain minus 3. So that's why I am putting minus 3 in the set of integer. So like that, by using the definition, whatever number is given like 2.3 minus 18 by 3, then there is a like 7 3 by 8, then under root 18, then minus 3.25, and then there is pi, and then 32, then 6. So here are the numbers. So just if you are understanding the definition, I will help you to understand the definition very nicely. So with the help of that definition and by giving whatever I have told you the examples, so based on that, I think you will be very clearly and very in the simple way you can decide the other numbers, that whether they are natural, they are whole, they are integers, rational or irrational. So it is very simple thing. By using the definition, we can classify, we can put the numbers in the correct boxes. Okay, so this is the demo video I'm making. So I hope that we will work together and I will help you to understand the basic concept, so that in coming classes of the high school you will able to understand the complex thing. Because if you want to understand the complex thing, first of all you need to understand the basic thing, and Second thing is that your concepts should be crystal clear, so that if your concepts are crystal clear, then in the higher classes, when the complex mathematics will come, then you will able to understand those, because your concepts are clear. So my job will be to help you to understand the definition and to make your concept very clear, like crystal clear. Thank you so much.